full number. See, I'm pushing my leg out. Who got look for now? Yes, I don't know. I don't feel it. Alright, stop. So, smash or pass? Dexter Daps.
Pass.
Pass. What's your answer?
Oh my God.
Murder!
So why not just tell him?
Jesus! No! Cheer up the boy! Me with a slam dunk!
Why not? Why not just not tell him?
I'm just like this. I don't know.
It's a pass for me.
Next I love him look up and say, Mr.
See, look again.
It's a weird being because
It's a pass. I don't know. Some about Dexter, my friend, I ever say. But some about Dexter line up.
Learn me now.
Jada know what the fuck that shit.
Jada Kingdom. That's big. That's big.
Ask all me one tick so never none of that to this income. Love me not mix. No way that they touch your pussy don't exist up when you body touch my cervix. You know I feel honey and sweet and Rara for Jada man. Jada for West still. Jada no good man. Right now. I am bad. Right now.
Now like do a mommy. Now like come like it's a donkey woman already come over here.
Can you go around cream come look at me?
Alright, look at me.
Shanil
Moore. Why Shanil Moore was actually like
Shanil Moore, I forgot. I'm telling you about Shanil, you know.
rough man.
Shanil Moore is very beautiful, but Shanil Moore vice.
Yo, Rebel. Say yo pretty.
Yo.
I come.
Them girl never in my belly. You know
I'm gonna say Shanil Moore.
yeah, top girl.
Alright. Shanil Moore, me girl. Oh yeah.
You got your PCC.
Smashing, dash.
Yeah.
Now I do my head in the camera, but I see the TJ. Yeah. Alright, man, for somebody else. Enough to see. When everybody had to go this.
Yeah, man.
Nigio.
The way that man just so you have it at home.
Shensia.
I want to see her. Hey, bitch.
Shensia. Rebel. If I had to go that.
They must have come out in a
Everybody had to go that.
No, man, Shensia.
We're on the veranda.
Listen, Shensia. What the area Shensia about one dress with the split at the side. I pray that to God, say, one video come out, where the princess blow it up. And me I see you.
That's why we were seeing your grind side.
I'm jealous, you know. I'm pretty telling you. I'm jealous. I'm
Like I
upset.
never say, hey dog, get it together, man.
I'm upset how she post a picture there.
Yeah, make me say I'm gonna bad out for her.
Yes. Maka there, man.
Maka.
Yeah, man, Maka was selling up.
Here,
Hey, I'm big
Bueno.
up.
Pass. Move now. Can I go with me?
Yo, Maka, tell her.
She's gonna go in back now. What's your own people? Maka come say to me,
Now, what do you think say with the smash Maka there, man?
oh, may never discuss that yet, Rebel. Don't do that for the life. Never.
Yo, Maka there, man, have a little flair. Yeah, man.
She have a play for Rebel because you like big man and all people. You love all people.
Like big man, we have sense, brother. Can't believe the idiot girl. Marcy. Come on, Miss Marcy, if you're nasty. Yeah. So, Rebel, you think we feel about your icky, them all of us upset bad? No, man, you see them icky, yeah?
No, this was not when going.
You were trying to them fast. Them icky are serious thing, you know, I can't talk about.
Alright, so when I was showing the picture, can I just call the names? Yeah.
Yeah.
Ding Dong Rivers.
You know nobody want?
Ding Dong is my friend. I think I know our brother.
No, let me tell you the truth. One time I just come in a dance hall and Ding Dong smile. Dun.
Ding Dong is my friend.
But then, you know.
Yeah. So pass for them, pass for them.
Pass.
Me go put your body lockdown.
You like to see your shit
I put your
out.
body on lockdown. Smashing, dashing, smashing. Pass. Coffee's my girl.
You know that a pass to me. Come here, bad boy.
Okay, and Barry Salmon.
Yeah, man. I'm my man, that man. Yeah.
This is killer. Remember the song, Bobo them man, the Rasta them man. Don't swear the days. And a very sing body in a body in a. What you talking about? Biggie.
Every sing body in your pum pum.
Body in your pum pum.
What the f... Charlie Blacks! My head to go the lights now. Every someone sing body in your pum pum.
Let's forget about it. Which one was before the life?
What's next?
You know. Rebel come with that name now?
And you can find them.
Usain Bolt.
Is that an artist?
Well, artist
Yeah,
like
anybody?
what?
Oh, anybody? Oh.
Bolt. Usain Bolt.
You know that Bolt too. Bolt too. Them
I
up.
like Bolt.
Pass.
Fast.
I like Bolt ear. That's it. Bolt ear. Like,
Pick up your seal.
Smash that pass. I want that.
smash that already.
You see what I say?
Pass.
Pass. Smash that pass. Intense.
That's my goal. Okay.
Pass.
Smash or pass. Cash.
Pass.
Yeah, cash me. Smash or pass. Beanie Man.
Meanwhile, going back to it. Smash our pass.
Tizzle.
Where you step pretty?
Smash or pass. Elephant Man.
Pass.
Pass.
Pass. Smash or pass. Tony Irie.
Name song, sir.
Let me show the people name. You don't know Tony Irie?
No, do what we know now. I don't know him. When him sing one song, I'm see his face in a song.
But you don't know Nina Social.
You know, number. Smash or pass. Vibes Cartel.
Pass.
Pass.
Why?
Pass, brother. Big up the world, boss, but pass, brother.
You don't know Tony Irie?
I'm
Pass.
Smash or pass. Jackie.
pass.
Pass. Stop it, man. Smash or pass. Conscience.
Pass.
TC.
I'm gonna get a smash.
Conscience.
I'm gonna get
Look at TC, man. Yeah. Smash our pass, Rummy and Virgo.
Alright. Smash or pass.
Pass.
Smash or pass. Skilly Bang.
Pass.
Airplane.
Smash or pass.
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 Smash our pass.
Smash.
Smash.
Smash our pass, Christopher Martin. You're a man with
Hey, smashing Chris, smashing Chris.
pass.
Big up.
So yeah, so let me give you something. Smash or pass. Quada.
Pass. Big up
Pass.
Quada, I'm a G.
I love Quada to
All up.
We never met this before we talk about that's it. So I have to
Guys, this is just for fun.
It's for fun and we like all of y'all. So don't even take it
Guys, I
personal.
love to hear one.
Don't be an hygiene.
Two artists them catch when they come from Japan. When I tell you and say, when this way upon you.
Yeah, so don't
Oh,
take it so we know.
tell you.
No, we're good. Can you see, you know?
Give me two more artists then.
QQ, better must come. Pass.
QQ.
Pass.
Smash or pass. Bounty Killer.
Pass.
Pass.
Popcorn.
Smash or pass. Popcorn.
Pass.
Pass. We never free puppies.
Pass.
Javinani.
Javela.
Pass.
Alkaline. So me not watch out your reason. Come on me and me take off your G-string. Nah. Pass.
Alkaline.
Yeah.
You like pass Alkaline?
Yeah.
Me
Like
too.
Alkaline though. I love
I like you, but I'm never tune into him.
We do Chronic Law.
Chronic class.
Squash Chronic Law. Pass.
Pass. Yeah, but I'm telling about my man them. It's my man them have to look after. My money for no coke out.
Jamil?
Jamie, yeah. Jamie could I get a
Jamil, could I get a smash? But tomorrow, you know my style.
Jamie. That's alright.
Alright, let's
TJ.
now.
Masika!
Masika? You like Masika?
Masika
You
terrible.
like him?
Smash.
Pass on me.
No, that's so me. Like,
Are you mad? Say that with I don't know about Masika.
Yes! Y'all know that. I know that it's like literally me.
Bro, you put I don't know over Masika. In there with? Why?
Because I know this
they
me.
still love him signing properly.
You know, say I know that
when you
of my heartstring.
Governor.
Ah, spreadsheet.
Never
You can't want smash. Go.
Love it.
Governor. Look, say that phone. I'm going to steal that, but that's it. That phone. I'm going to take too long to text him back.
Shanjak underscore 2.
So what do it now?
Alright, enough of that. I'm not going to get another problem. Cranium.
Whoa, nobody happened to me and you are touched. Nobody happened. And you are giving the
Pass.
Nobody happened. No one
Pass.
said you come over me yard smashing dashing.
Somebody said Kiprich. Kiprich is fucking sexy.
Kiprich nice for true.
Kiprich is
Fucking
fucking
young one.
sexy. You know, some blood clot pass in the pass out.
No, I don't know. I never look for Kiprich so yet. But someone can identify Kiprich face.
Torillions.
They never said that. You know me. I got
Trey songs.
Look at that smash me so well that you can say.
And them man is you want. Trey songs, them and them man dead. She no want no way name dead, a Jamaican man. Sammy Lee?
And don't make such a something.
No man.
When Tommy say, Eve, you go up in the sky.
No more we got come off, bro.
Alright.